Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about 65 phrasal verbs with meanings. Hold up, wait or delay, keep away, prevent from coming near, keep up, stay even or ahead, kick out, stop, stall or disconnect suddenly, kick off, start to launch, knock out, exhaust, lay down, put something down or stop using it, hold out, survive, endure, let down, allow to descend, let out, release, let out, disclose, look after, watch or protect to keep safe, look around, search a place, look at, consider, look for, search for, to seek, look into, investigate, explore or consider. Phrasal verb: ask for, request, back up, copy data as a security measure, blow up, explode or be destroyed by explosion, break up, end a relationship, break out, escape, especially forcefully or defiantly, break up, break or separate into pieces, bring about, cause to take place, bring along, bring SMB or SMT to certain place, bring back, return something, somebody, bring down, reduce, bring in, move something indoors, bring up, raise, call out, ask somebody to come, carry on, continue or proceed as before. Carry over, transfer SMT to a later point in time. Check out, confirm and pay for goods and services. Phrasal verb: give up, stop or quit an activity, etc. Go ahead, to begin, go along, participate, cooperate or conform. Go around, move or spread from person to person. Go away, depart or leave a place. Go down, fall to the floor. Go forward, progress. Go off, explode. Go on, continue in extent. Go out, leave once aboard to go to public places. Go round, calculate. Go together, harmonize or be compatible. Go towards, be a contribution to. Hang out, spend time doing nothing in particular. Hang on, wait a moment using imperative. Hold on, keep to store something for someone. Phrasal verb: turn on, start operating, to power up. Turn over, flip over, to rotate, uppermost to bottom. Turn round, revolve or rotate around a center. Walk away, withdraw from a problematic situation. Wash out, remove something by washing. Try on, put clothes on to see if they fit. Think over, consider something carefully. Spring up, appear suddenly. Bail out, rescue, especially financially. Block off, obstruct. Build up, strengthen. Burn down, cause a structure to burn to nothing. Cheer up, become happy. Drink up, finish one's drink. Find out, discover as by asking or investigating. Fix up, repair or refurbish. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.